Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Gustavo, and you want to know how to get approved for a business loan if you have bad credit or you are new in business. Now, yes, you're right. Banks do not like to lend money to people with bad credit. They especially do not like to lend to small businesses who've been around for too little of time. So, what can you do if you've been around for let's say a year and you have bad credit? Now, there's many business lenders out there. I cannot speak for them, but I can speak on behalf of the ones that we work with. Now, depending on your type of loan that you're looking for and your personal credit score, which will determine the programs you qualify for, having bad credit will not stop you from getting approved, but your credit will help determine your credit worthiness. So, yes, better credit will improve your payment terms. Now, these are the key factors to keep in mind if you need money for your business. These are the most common types of loans available. You have working capital, which is a sort of a cash advance. These type of loans are for a shorter period of time, and they will almost always reflect the amount of sales your business makes. Then you have term loans, which are a specific amount of money repaid over a longer period of time, and they're typically larger than your business revenues or sales will be. Then you also have equipment financing, which is for purchasing specific pieces of equipment like vehicles, like expensive ovens, like trailers, and so on. There's also more specific loans for specific reasons. If you want to know more about them, you can download my business loans playbook. There should be a link down below. You can enter your email, and I will email it to you. Now, a working capital loan is going to be like I said, a cash advance product. Like any cash advance product, the cost is going to reflect your personal credit score, and the amount that you will be approved for is going to reflect your average business sales over the past 6 months. Now, with a minimum of $5,000 per month, or 3 months if you have sales over $20,000 average over 3 months. Typically, business lenders want to see at least three deposits in your business checking account monthly. Payment terms are going to be determined by the frequency of deposits, which is your closed sales every month. More transactions during the month is going to help you get a better payment term. Business lenders are also going to see how long you've been in business. You verify time in business by submitting your business bank statements, which will also show you business sales. Now, how much can you be approved for? Well, that's going to be a range from zero point 0.7 all the way up to times 1.7 your monthly revenues. That means that if your business does, let's say, $20,000 a month in sales, your range is going to be from 14,000 up to $34,000 in a cash advance loan. Okay, so let's recap. You have to have a business checking account. You have to have been in business for at least 6 months and business sales over $5,000 or more. 3 months if your sales are north of $20,000 average over 3 months. Now, what about payments? Now, payment terms are going to be pretty flexible. As lenders, they want to make sure that you are able to make your payments and that you do not have any big bulk amount of payments, because we understand that's going to be difficult for you, and as a business owner and for your business. Payments are always auto withdrawals and can be monthly, weekly, sometimes up to daily. There's no specific APR, as all businesses are different. You're going to have to get a quote. Now, once you're ready to find out what you could be approved for, you would have to submit your business checking statement over the past 6 months and a personal financial statement if you're asking for over $100,000 in loans, and to fill out a typical application with your information. Most business lenders do what's called a soft credit pull, which does not affect your credit score should you decide not to take out a loan. Now I'm going to show you where you can apply. Now, this is where you apply. You will find the link down below. Now, here it's just basic information: your first name, last name, email address, business name, business phone number. We're going to ask you for your credit score. You will select your industry, time in business, and annual sales. From there, you submit your information. One of our agents will call you, and they will verify all the information that you've told us. We will discuss what are the options based on what it is you're trying to do. Maybe we can guide you in a better direction. Now, typically, applications are approved or not uh, the same day, and depending on whether we receive all the documentation that we might ask you for, such as your bank statements, maybe some identification, we can fund you up to the same day. Again, it all depends on how diligent you submit whatever information we might require of you. This is a basic website, gives you a little bit more information, but this is where you will submit your application. If it's useful, please like and subscribe. Remember to get my business loans guidebook, which is down below. It's free to download. And check out my channel for more information on business loans, such as business lines of credit. Thank you for stopping. Good luck. I pray you get approved.